What's up, wake up, wealth up, everyone. It is Melanie Williams, your mompreneur and deal diva of the 21st century, coming to you from Booteek House Enterprises. Just to give you all a little bit about what it is we do here at Booteek House Enterprises. Here at Booteek House Enterprises, we are helping families to step up their game in their financial portfolios. What we do is we help people to increase their cash flow. We teach strategies that help people to increase their cash flow, helps them to eliminate debts, helps them to eventually gain business income, and also invest so that the money that you are making doesn't all come from your labor, the money that you had to work hard to get. We have been in business now with Booteek House Enterprises for coming up on our 6th month. In those 6 months, we have helped 20 families to step up the game of their financial portfolios, and we are looking to help many, many more families over the months, weeks, days, years to come. We just need people to reach out. So if you're watching this video and you are looking for some help with increasing your cash flow, you need to know some strategies on how to eliminate your debt, how to legally lower your taxes, and how to start investing, reach out to us. You can reach us at 773. Oh, sorry. No, you cannot reach us at 773. You can reach us at 219-302-3634. You can subscribe and leave a comment here, and I check the comments and I'll reach out to you. Or you could also go on our Facebook page, Booteek House Enterprises. The link will be in the comments below. We would love to work with you and get you started on your financial success. Until next time, I hope that's what's up so you can wake up and get your wealth up.